you very much for visiting my YouTube channel, Peace Uchasing TV. I'm so grateful. Thank you. If you've not subscribed, please do well to click the red subscribe button. You can follow me via all those stores on the screen, via Facebook, Instagram, chat me up on WhatsApp. Okay, I still remain your friend, Peace Okechukwu, who you, my love, my darling, my sweetheart, can also call Angelpeace. Okay, most people actually came to me, they're telling me about physics, how difficult they are finding physics. But before we move ahead with this, please, you can view my previous videos on cardiovascular system. You wouldn't want to miss out on it. It's actually super interesting. Okay, so get your pen and jotter. Let's kick off. Welcome back. Definition. We said physics is the branch of science concerned with the nature and properties of matter and energy. Actually, what we're trying to do is to create an introduction on what physics is all about before we dive in deep into other topics under it. So we're trying to define, we're trying to understand what physics is all about. Firstly, we said that it's a science concerned with the nature and properties of matter and energy. Right? So when we say properties, we're looking at what that particular substance is made up of. So if I have a spoon of salt, what am I saying? Is it yellow? Is it white? Is it blue? Okay. When I add heat to it, what will happen to it? What if I add water and all that and all that? So we're looking at the properties of that substance. We're looking at energy. Actually, I was trying to find another way of explaining energy apart from the capacity to do work, and it was really funny what I saw. A particular English dictionary defined it as the impetus behind motion, the impetus behind work. Impetus. Okay, so let's move ahead to the second definition. It's a fundamental scientific discipline that studies matter. So we are looking at science again. We've seen matter again. Its motion and behavior through space and time and related entities of energy and force. That's to say that physics is continuous. It keeps evolving. So we're not coming to 2021 and we'll say after 2021, no physics, no checking of nature and properties of matter. We are not looking at anything physics again. No, it keeps going. And we're going to see what the result of it is all about. After we have 19th century scientists and we also have 21st century scientists. So it keeps going. And with time, we'll still have better, more proficient results of this scientific works. Okay, let's look at the third definition. We said physics is a natural science again, based on experiments, measurement, and mathematical analysis. This is where students get scared. There is calculation in this thing. What am I going to do? But actually, it's easy. If you bring in or put yourself in that particular. Okay, don't worry. Let me not go before myself. Let's just take it one step at a time. Okay, and mathematical analysis with the purpose. So why are we doing all of this? Why are we doing the experiment in physics? Why the measurement? Why the mathematical analysis? We said with the purpose of finding quantitative physical laws. So we now have Newton's laws or theories. We now have Boyle's law, Charles' law of gravity. So it involves experiment, measurement, and mathematical analysis. And this for everything from the smallest world of microcosmos to the planet, solar system and galaxies that occupy the larger world that we are into. So we're looking at physics as a way of finding laws. It keeps revolving, and it is a science that is concerned with nature and properties of matter and energy. Okay, so one of the things I planned during this section, this physics, during our lectures on physics, is to create applications, like a way to bring it into our day-to-day activity for easy understanding, to aid our understanding. And the common topics we'll be looking at is surface tension. For instance, okay, I've mentioned it where we talked of what is happening when I'm washing my clothes. Temperature. What is happening when the water is boiling? Upthrust, magnetism, waves, elasticity, common laws like Boyle's law, Charles' law, and all the rest. Thank you very much for being part of this introduction into physics. I know you wouldn't want to miss out on the remaining. And see you.